Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Okay, we are in the second topic, second unit, which is Olympic movement or Olympic value education. In the previous classes we discussed about the topics which are Olympic symbols, in which we discuss about the Olympic flag and Olympic motto, Olympic flame and the Olympic oath. Today we are discussing more points. These points are Olympic awards. Olympic awards. The winners in all competitions of first, second and third positions are awarded with gold, silver and bronze medal. The certificate are also given to the winning players. A medal ceremony is also held after Olympic events. And after these first, second and third position holders, the next 5 position holders are also awarded with certificate only. These are the awards of the modern Olympic Games. Now next is Olympic idols. The Olympic idols are virtue, physical strength and beauty. The Olympic Games are held in every after 4 years. These games are allotted in advance. We discussed about in the last topic that the responsibility to host the Olympic Games is given 8 years before or 10 years before. If we will discuss about the next Olympics, this time it was going to be held in the Tokyo, Japan, and next time the next Olympic of 2024 will be held in Paris. And we also know from Friday 26 July it will be started. It means the committee gives time for the all kinds of the preparation, and after that the Olympic of 2028 will be held in Los Angeles, California, United States from Friday 21 July, right? That means the Olympic Committee, the IOC, gives sufficient time to the city, to the country, to preparation for the Olympic movements. Now rules for the competitors in the modern Olympic Games. Any individual, whether male or female, can take part in the Olympic Games. In the ancient Olympic game there was a rule: women were not allowed to take part and were not allowed to see the games. But this time this is openly invites the participation of male and females. But this is necessary that these sports persons are sent by their National Olympic Committee. No sports person can participate in these games without the approval as well as recommendation of National Olympic Committees. But at present sports person can participate in some games. Olympic Games also promotes the participation of the athletes without any discrimination between the gender, between the caste, between the nationality. They just had to get approval from their national committees, then they can participate in the modern Olympic Games. Now the opening ceremony of the Olympic Games. The games started from the lighting the Olympic flame or Olympic torch. First of all, Olympic torch or flame is burned through sun rays in the Olympic village, it means in the Greece, and it is brought to the city where the Olympic Games are going to be organized. And during this period, this flame was carried by the athletes through the relay races, and the president or prime minister declares the game open in the stadium. Before this process, all the players take part in march past and they take oath that they would participate in the games accordingly to the rules formed by the IOC or International Olympic Committee. After that, recreational and cultural programs and other athletic events are organized. Olympic flag is hosted in the stadium and Olympic flame of the stadium is candlelight by the torch, by that Olympic flame or by that Olympic torch. Closing ceremony of the Olympic Games. The closing ceremony of Olympic Games is very interesting because again there will be the recreational and few cultural programs, and all the players, participants gathered in the stadium after the games are over. The president of IOC, International Olympic Committee, announced that the closing of the game. After that, Olympic game is unfold and Olympic anthem is sung. After that, Olympic flag is lowered and it is given to the mayor of the city in which city next Olympic are going to be organized. With this, the game are closed and Olympic flame is extinguished. This is all about the Olympic Games opening and the closings. This is all about the opening ceremony and closing ceremony of the Olympic movements.